Okay, I just picked up this Beretta 71 at my local dealer today. And here's what we got. The Beretta 71 with the fake can on it that was required for importing it in the United States. And it's actually in pretty good condition. I'm very pleased. From looking at the markings on the side here, I've determined that it was probably made in 1975. So I'm going to be removing this can to make it suppressor ready. And this one has an aftermarket lanyard ring on it. I think the gun was designed originally for a lanyard ring, but it didn't come with one, and somebody has put one on there, which I liked. I saw the pictures of this on GunBroker when I ordered it, and I knew it was coming with that. So this was hand-picked by me. So I will be getting to work on this possibly later this evening. But overall, I'm extremely pleased with this little 22. So here you can see the stamps on the side, including the AA, which indicates this Beretta was made in 1975. Here on the fake suppressor, you can see a spot that has been changed. So if you look for most of it, it's just plain turning from the lathe. But when you get to this area right here, about 2 o'clock, it looks like you can see the weld there that's been ground out. If you look around here, there's a large area that looks like it's been re-blued. And there's an area right here that looks like it might be the weld where the pin was stuck in to, quote, permanently, unquote, attach this suppressor to the barrel. So I'm definitely going to start right there when I'm trying to find that pin to remove it. So there you go, Beretta 71 with the fake can, imported by Century, and there's their familiar tag. So we'll get that fake can off, get a real can on it, and try it at the range. Thanks for watching.